Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to get installed programs with PowerShell. So, in this tutorial you will learn how to list installed programs in PowerShell, and I will show you two approaches. The first one is not recommended, and I will not execute it, but I will show the syntax and you can try it on your own if you want to. And the second one is recommended. I will show you how does it work, and this is the registry-based method, which is safe and very useful. So now we can start with this not recommended method that works, but I will not execute it. So get theme instance, and then you have to specify the class name. Then you have to specify the win32 and not printer but product. So we can search for it, or we can just type it, it will be faster. So product. Now you can select some options. So for example, you can select object and for example name and version. So it will work, but why this is not recommended? This queries installed MSI based applications, and it triggers a consistency check on MSI packages. It can be slow, and it may cause unexpected repairs and reconfiguration. So this is why in practice this is avoided in productions and demos, and unless it's explicitly needed. So you can test it, but it might be a little bit risky. Now I will show you the better method, which is the registry method. Because most installed programs are listed in the registry, we can list them like that. So we will have to get an item and property. Now I will show you how to get it for the current user. Later I will show you how to list all apps from the system, the 32-bit apps and 64-bit apps from the system. So yes, we have to get item property, and now for the current user it is HKCU, and now we have to do backslash, and we have to do software, we have to do Microsoft, we have to do Windows. You can fill it by pressing tab on your keyboard automatically. Then we have to get the current version, and we have to get uninstall. Uninstall like this, and we have to do asterisk sign to list everything. We can do the pipe, and we can filter it with select object and object, and we can print only DisplayName or DisplayName, DisplayName, of course with the Y at the end. So like this, display version, and for example publisher. I can press enter. I think if I didn't make a spelling mistake, it should work. As you can see, it is working. So for me, I only have, this is for my current user, so I am only using the higher recorded app, the Android SDK platform tools, Vector2, and OBS Manager. So these are my application for the current user. And now I will show you all apps from the system. So get item property, and now to get all apps from the system, we have to do HK. It is the same as before, but right now LM, and now we have to do backslash and again software, but now we have to add WOW 64, 32 and Node. Then we can do Microsoft, then we can do Windows, then we can do current version, and then uninstall, and the asterisk sign, and the rest is the same. So we can do select object and object, and we can print again this display name, display version, and publisher, like this. Now we can press enter, and as you can see, we have now a lot of more information. So we have the C++ libraries, we have the USB, we have the, for example, Steam, we have OBS, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome. So this is how it looks like. You have the version and you have the publisher. So for example, it is from Google, this is from Microsoft Corporation. So this is how you can display or get installed programs with PowerShell. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.